So let's find all values of theta in this interval such that sine of theta is equal to root 3 over 2. Now let's draw a unit circle so we can wrap our heads around this before we do anything. So we've got our unit circle here, and all standard stuff. And we're looking for positions where sine of theta is root 3 over 2. Now root 3 over 2 is some number that's less than 1, it's greater than 0. So what we're really looking for is some position, I think it might be quite high up, something like this. So we're looking for the positions where the y-coordinate is equal to root 3 over 2. Okay, remember sine is the y-coordinate. So it strikes me there are two positions where this can occur, clearly here and here. So what we've got to do is work out which values of theta in there give me these two positions. That's what I've got to work out. It's got to be between 0 and 2 pi. So the first thing is let's calculate what this angle is. What's this equal to? So this angle. Well, we know what that angle is because it's one of my special values. So recall that I think sine of pi over 3 is equal to root 3 over 2. So what that tells me here is this angle, let me make it a little bit smaller, this angle is pi over 3. Now what about the other position? Well, the other position I could get by doing what? Well, this angle is the same as pi over 3, isn't it? So that means this angle here, which is what I want, is the complement of a half circle and that little segment. So that means the angle around, so I'll do it in a different color, it's a bit of a mess. This angle around here is what it's going to be pi minus pi over 3. And we're only dealing with angles between 0 and pi over 2. So that's the only possibilities. If we were talking about all possible theta, we'd have to do full revolutions as well as these, but we don't. So from the picture I can see the following. Sine of theta is equal to root 3 over 2, where theta is in this interval. If and only if theta is equal to one of two things, it's pi over 3 or 2 pi over 3. Right, that's pi minus pi over 3. So I'm really trying to hammer home, as always, the ridiculous importance of the unit circle, right? That's the definition of sine and cos. You should always really be thinking about things in terms of unit circles. Of course, graphs are useful, but if you were to just draw a graph of sine here, it would not be obvious what these positions were.